In this video, we'll see how to map fields while importing WooCommerce orders using CSV files. First, select Order as the post type. Upload your CSV file and move to Step 3, Map Import Columns. The plugin automatically maps fields only when it finds matching header names in the input file. If no matching header is found, the field will remain blank. In that case, simply click the respective field and manually select the correct column for mapping. You can also edit existing mappings if needed. Always verify important fields like order ID, billing email, product details, and order status before importing. Once the mappings look correct, click Import to start importing your WooCommerce orders. And that's it. Your orders are now imported successfully with the correct field mapping. Now let's see how to map fields while importing WooCommerce orders using XML files. Just like CSV imports, you'll map the file data to the corresponding WooCommerce order fields. Upload your XML file and move to Step 3, Map Import Columns. For XML imports, the plugin reads XML tags instead of CSV columns. Here, map each XML tag to the corresponding WooCommerce order. If no matching header is found, the field will remain blank. If required, you can manually change the mapping or assign expressions here as well. Once the mappings are verified, click Import to complete the WooCommerce order import. And that's it! Your WooCommerce orders are now imported successfully with the correct field mapping. Thanks for watching.